going to be an amp, so it's not the normal solder joint side. Let's all be on the same side of this thing. We're gonna be here. Let's do on this side. It scared me for a second. I couldn't stop that if I wanted to. Everybody's always entertained by how low a inverted helicopter can hover. So that's flying inverted, Tom. You know, you got to be like backwards on every damn thing.
Yeah.
Oh shit, batteries are dead.
All right.
Coming for a landing. If I didn't start off with the full pack. I'll have to land in the same time. I flew a little bit more because that battery wasn't already ready.